Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Mob, your today Fields of Learning. Today, we'll be taking a look at the top 10 scary facts you didn't know about the exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. Since their discovery, we've learned a lot about them, but there are still some chilling facts that you might not be aware of. So, let's get started. Number 10. Hellish World. Hot Jupiters are giant exoplanets that orbit very close to their host stars, resulting in a scorching surface temperature that can exceed thousands of degrees Celsius. These planets are inhabitable due to their extreme heat, and their atmospheres are stripped away by the intense radiations and stellar winds from their host stars. Like for example, the exoplanet codename HD 80606b. Discovered in 1995, it was the first extrasolar planet found orbiting a sun-like star, named 51 Pegasi b, has an orbital period of about 4 days. The close proximity to their stars and high surface atmosphere temperatures resulted in their informal name, Hot Jupiters. That is one of many examples of hot Jupiter-like in exoplanets. Number 9. Diamond Worlds. There are exoplanets that are believed to be made mostly entirely of diamonds, the hardest substance known to us. These planets are thought to have formed from the carbon-rich remnants of ancient stars, and their surface may be covered with a layer of glittering diamonds. However, they are unlikely to support life as we know it due to their extremely density and lack of habitable condition. Like for example, that the NASA has taken a closer look at 55 Cancri, an exoplanets that earned the nickname Diamond Planet due to research that suggests it has a carbon-rich composition. Even if we could reach these diamond exoplanets, they wouldn't be a appealing place to visit because it can kill human instantly. Number 8. Rogue Planet. Rogue planets are exoplanets that do not orbit any stars and instead drift through the galaxy on their own. These planets could have been ejected from their star systems due to gravitational interaction or may have formed directly from a collapsing cloud of gas and dust. Rogue planets may have unique geology and chemistry and could be home to microbial life forms that have been adapted to the extreme conditions of deep space. Like for example, the exoplanet codename OTS-44 was discovered in 1998, suggesting it has a circumstellar disk of dust and particles of rock and ice, like our planet Saturn disk. Number 7. Lava World. Some exoplanets are so close to their host stars that their surface are molten, creating a hellish environment of bubbling lava oceans and erupting volcanoes. These planets are also bombarded by intense radiation and stellar winds, making them inhospitable to life. Like example of exoplanets codename K2-141b. The Earth-sized exoplanet is a hot lava world, and this hell planet with a magma ocean and rocky rain, orbiting extremely close to an orange main sequence star. Number 6. Habitable Zone. The habitable zone is the range of distance from a star where the temperature is just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. This is a crucial factor for the potential of life to exist, as water is a necessary ingredient for life as we know it. Some exoplanets have been discovered within the habitable zone, but whether they actually harbor life remains an open question. Like the very best example of exoplanets, codename Kepler-442b, is a confirmed near-Earth-sized exoplanet, likely rocky, orbiting within the habitable zone of the K-type main sequence star. This planet is in the habitable zone of its stars, a region where liquid water could exist on the planet's surface. It is one of the most Earth-like planets yet found in size and temperature. As of July 2018, Kepler-442b was considered the most habitable non-tidally locked exoplanet discovered. Number 5. Tidally locked. Tidally locked exoplanets have one side permanently facing their host star, while the other side is always in darkness. This creates a stark temperature difference between the two hemispheres, making it difficult for life to thrive. However, there could be habitable regions along the twilight zone, where temperature are more moderate. Number 4. Super-Earths. Super-Earths are exoplanets that are larger than Earth but smaller than gas giants, like Jupiter. They could have rocky surface like Earth, but their gravity and atmospheric condition could be very different, making them challenging environments for life to emerge. Like the best example of Super-Earth exoplanet, codenamed Kepler-62f, a planet about 1.4 times the size of Earth, and likely in the habitable region of its star. The discovery of this planet was announced in 2013. A modeling study of planets suggests that it might be covered with water, leading to questions about what sort of life would be possible on such a world. Number 3. Exomoons. Some exoplanets have been found to have moons that orbit around them, just like Earth has its own moon. These exomoons could have been their own atmospheres, water, and geological activity, and could provide unique habitats for life to evolve. Number 2. Alien oceans. Some exoplanets have been discovered to have oceans made of liquid methane or ammonia instead of water. This alien ocean could harbor exotic form of life that have adapted to these unique conditions. Number 1. Killer radiation. Some exoplanets are bombarded by intense radiation from their host stars, which can strip away their atmospheres and leave them barren and lifeless. The amount of type of radiation depends on the star's age, size, and activity level, as well as the planet's distance from it. Understanding the effect of the stellar radiation on exoplanet is crucial for determining their habitability and the potential for life to exist on them. That's it for our top 10 scary facts you didn't know about exoplanets. It's amazing to think that there are so many different types of worlds out there, each with their own unique properties and potential for life. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.